Hello YouTube, it's Fred Vidal from New York. So it's my first day here in 2009. And I think thanks to President Obama, there is a lot of people here in New York City, in town, very happy with a lot of impulse, with a lot of energy, and that sounds very good. On the other hand, I was this morning on location to meet some people filmmaking or studying about filmmakers, and one guy, he told me have a good night, and it was around noon. So I think it's a good example of what you must not do to have a kind of sense of humor that is bad joke for some people, and for other ones that can be an illusion about reality because when there is a lot of sun like this one, it's not during the night that you organize your day. I'm gonna continue with you guys YouTube in New York beginning this afternoon. So have a great day and a great night, maybe not. I mean, yeah, I like to say more about this issue. Avant-garde, you know, the French, the European words avant-garde. It's about people with a kind of liberty, freedom inside. If you say good night to some avant-garde people, and when you feel you are also avant-garde, you can be really wrong, because with avant-garde people you don't have to try to manage them and to be too much rigid, organized on rules. It's the right word. Avant-garde is about communication, it's about flower power, maybe good rock music. You know, I was a punk roller in the 70s until now, and what we need is hope of a liberty for the next world, this century. Okay, thank you, I appreciate your time, and see you soon for another video.